So viewers, today we are going to also discuss about Brave Wallet, and in this video we are going to take the backup of our wallet. Yes, sometimes you have misplaced your seed phrases or backup phrases. So how can you take the again backup from your wallet? But keep in your mind, you must have your password. After that, you can take the backup. So if you have not your backup in your hand, so you can't recover, restore your account. So keep in your mind. Also, please don't share your seed phrases with anyone. So let's start our video. Before going to start this video, so please subscribe my channel. My channel name is Crypto Wallace Info, and also press the bell icon button. And if you need to get the same information in Urdu language, then you can join my other channel, Best Cryptocurrency Wallets. So you can see here I have uploaded almost 2 or 3 videos about Brave Wallet. The first video is how to set up the Brave Wallet, and second video how to find the wallet addresses. This is the third video, and in this video we are going to take the backup of our wallet. You can see here my YouTube channel open in front of me. You must watch my last 2 videos if you are going to use the Brave Wallet. So let's start. I'm going to open my Brave Wallet. You can see here my Brave Wallet main interface is open in front of me. First, I need to enter my password if I need to log in my account. So going to enter my password, or just simple paste here my password, and after that I just simple click on unlock option. Going to click on unlock option. After that, you can see here my main portfolio is open in front of me, and there is shown my Ethereum address or base address, also Bitcoin and BNB. Going to click on it. Matic, BNB, Ethereum, Avalanche. If you have your seed phrases, you can restore your all accounts from one seed phrases. Okay. So now I'm going to take the back of my seed phrases. I'm going to click on this option. You can see a right top corner 3 dots is shown here. You just simple click on it, and then the second option is available here. Backup now. Going to click on backup now, and then I need to enter my password here because this information is very sensitive. Going to enter my password. You can enter your Brave wallet password to start backing your wallet. Continue. Now you can see a save your recovery phrases. The 12 to 24 word recovery phrases private key. You can use the region access to your wallet in case you lose a connected device. So it someplace safe and in the exact order it appear below. Keep it in a secure place that is it is not accessible to other, and avoid sharing it with anyone. I already told you, please don't share your seed phrases with anyone, and also please write your seed phrases in your personal diary, or you can take the print out of these seed phrases because this is information is very necessary for you if you want to recover restore your wallet. So going to click on show my recovery phrases, and then you can see here all seed phrases available here. So first of all, I'm going to open notepad file for the take up backup. Just click on notepad file, and now you can see here the notepad file is open in front of me. So you can write one by one, or you can just simple click on click to copy. Click to copy. I just simple click to copy. You can see here there is shown green button copied. Now again open the notepad file and now paste here. Copy and paste here. Now all phrases paste here. So before going to save this file, I want to check one by one my all phrases correct or not. The first phrase is elbow. You can see here in notepad file shown the elbow. Second switch. Third when. Fourth turkey. Grant, add, clock, try, primary. All phrases I think is correct. And you must check the spell. All spell is correct or not. because if you save any wrong word in your seed phrases, so you can't recover your wallet. Okay, keep in your mind, you can't recover your wallet. So I have save all seed phrases. People going to click on it, and after that click on save button. Then I will save this notepad file in my system, and after stop this video I will take the printout of this notepad file, multiple make the multiple copies, and also save this notepad file in my USB drive, and also write these seed phrases in my personal diary, because sometime I need to recover my account, restore my account. So then these seed phrases will be help for me. Okay, so and also keep in your mind, don't use these phrases your personal use, because this video is only for education purpose, and if you are going to use these phrases for your personal use, your fund will be lost. So I have saved my seed phrases on this notepad file. Going to click on continue and enter my word in position 5 from your recovery phrases. So going to click on number 5, 1 2 3 4 5. Yes, correct. Copy and going to paste here. Now click on continue and enter the word in position 9. So check the 9 position, 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9, 9 primary. Going to copy and paste here. Simple click on continue, and the last is word 10 number, 10 number group. To copy and going to paste here and click on continue. So as you can see here, I have successfully backup of our seed phrases Brave wallet, and these seed phrases help for me if I am going to take the backup. So I already told you about seed phrases. Make the multiple copies, save your USB drive, and also your notepad file is right in your CD or DVD, or write your seed phrase on your personal diary. Means you make the multiples copy, then you will save your account from misplace. Okay, so whereas I hope you properly understand how can you find, or how can you take the backup of your seed phrases. So if you get any information from this video, so please subscribe my channel. My channel name is CryptoWallets Info, and also press the bell icon button. And if you need to get the same information in Urdu language, then you can join my other channel, Best Cryptocurrency Wallets. So we'll meet with you in new video. Bye bye.